The American Psychological Association reports that family separation is on par with beating and torture in terms of its relationship to mental health. Were you aware of that research prior to instituting the policy of family separation?
There is no policy of family separation. What we did was increase the number of parents that we referred for prosecution. That is what we have done for the last 3 administrations.
Thank you. I'll take that as a
because
no.
it's the law.
Let's go back even further to the El Paso pilot program for family separation that reportedly began in 2017. Yes or no, did DHS consult with any pediatric health experts before beginning the pilot?
I was not at DHS at that time. I was there in July. I was not aware of the pilot at that time, and then I was working in a different department.
Okay, so that would be no.
No, ma'am, I just can't speak to it. I wasn't there. I
Okay.
can't speak to what I don't know.
Thank you. Yes or no, did DHS collect or analyze any medical data from the pilot program to evaluate how family separation affects a child's physical and mental health?
Yes, as I said, I have an advisory council looking at it right now who includes a well-known doctor who is looking at these issues.
Can you provide a copy of that data and DHS's analysis to our committee?
Of course, the report is not finished, but it's a FACA body, so everything is public.
Great. Did you consult with any pediatric experts before the policy officially began in the spring of 2018?
We generally and regularly work with them. As you know, the children are cared for by Health and Human Services.
Right.
But to the extent that we have children in DHS detention centers, we follow all guidelines by the AMA.
Right.
We work very closely with the medical community.
Okay, so then would you provide a copy of that communication from DHS with those experts to the committee?
Sure, anything
Okay.
that's available.
Thank you. So the American Academy of Pediatrics wrote to DHS 6 times to explain how family separation hurts children and made a number of public statements. Yes or no, are you aware of those warnings?
I am, which is why I continue to ask this committee to work with me so that parents do not separate their children. There were 60,000 last year that were separated by their parents.
Thank
We are
you.
talking about 2,000 children that resulted from their parents choosing to break the law, which is why I've continually asked parents to go to a port of entry.
Thank you. So from what I've heard today, I'm not sure if DHS was so negligent that they didn't know how traumatic family separation was for children, or if they knew and did it anyways. But in my opinion, both are unacceptable. Tearing kids and their parents apart like this is immoral. Ma'am, it's un-American and it's just plain wrong. Thank you for holding this hearing, Mr. Chairman, and Secretary Nielsen. I'll be following up. I yield back.
So, sir, I'd like to respond briefly, if I could.